Good morning, children. Welcome to our online classes once again. So, in the last two videos, that is part 1 and part 2 of 7th science food components, we discussed about what are food components, how many types of food components are there, and what are the food components present in the different packaged food items. That is over now. So today we are going to discuss about how to test the presence of food components in a given food item. So what is the topic today? Testing of food items. Testing of food components. So testing of food components. So what is the need to test the food components are present or not in the given food materials? Why? Because in the last class I was told to you food components are very important. Daily we are eating different types of food materials. So while eating different types of food materials, we should know which food material contains which type of food components in which percentage. That is very important. Why? Because our body requires more amount of carbohydrates, more amount of proteins, less amount of fats, and also less amount of vitamins and minerals per a day. మనకి ఒక రోజుకి ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఆర్ స్టార్చ్ కావాలి, ప్రోటీన్స్ కూడా ఎక్కువ కావాలి, ఫ్యాట్స్, విటమిన్స్ అండ్ మినరల్స్ దే రిక్వైర్డ్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ లిటిల్ క్వాంటిటీ. ఫ్యాట్స్, మినరల్స్, విటమిన్స్ మాత్రం తక్కువ క్వాంటిటీలో కావాలి, తక్కువ మొత్తంలో సరిపోతుంది. సో దట్ ఈజ్ వై వీ షుడ్ నో వీఆర్ ఈటింగ్ different types of food materials. We should know what is the percentage of food components present in the food which we are going to eat. That is why we need to test the food components. అందుకే మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఫుడ్లో ఫుడ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఉన్నావా లేవా అనేటువంటివి మనము టెస్ట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ఫుడ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్? ఆర్ యు రిమెంబర్ ఫుడ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్? కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ or carbohydrates or starch, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So these five are called as the food components: carbohydrates or starch, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So these are the food components. So what is the topic today? We should find out the food components in the given food item. So మనము ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఫుడ్ లోపల ఈ ఫుడ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో లేవో మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ we are going to test carbohydrates or starch. Carbohydrates are starch. For example, if you are given the rice flour, బియ్యం పిండి. So this is the given food item. So we have to find out which the carbohydrates or starch present in the rice flour or not. That is the task. మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ బియ్యం పిండి, దీంట్లో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఉన్నావా లేవా కనుక్కోవాలి. హౌ? సో ఫర్ ది టెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఆర్ స్టార్చ్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ we required one chemical that is called iodine. We require iodine chemical, diluted iodine chemical. So take a test tube. This is the test tube. Take a test tube. Take up to 10 ml of water. take 10 ml of water and add small drops of iodine solution. Iodine solution. So this is called the diluted iodine solution. This is called diluted iodine solution. So this chemical we want to test the carbohydrates or starch. Okay. So now the chemical is ready. What is the given food item? Rice flour. Now take another test tube. Another test tube and take a small quantity of rice water into the test tube. So how can we make rice water? Take a little bit quantity of rice flour and add some water, that is called rice water. So we are taking rice water in the test tube. Okay, we already prepared diluted iodine solution. So now add 2 to 4 drops of iodine solution to the rice water. Now stir it well. బాగా కలపండి. What happened if this solution turns into black or dark blue? We can easily say the rice flour contains carbohydrates or starch. Okay, so what we done here? Simply we are taking one test tube here. In the test tube we are taking a small quantity of rice water. For this rice water we are adding 3 to 4 drops of iodine solution. After that we stir it well. బాగా కలిపాం. Now what happened if the solution, this rice water, changing into black color or dark blue color? Then we can easily say this rice flour contains carbohydrates. So this is the test for the starch or carbohydrates. So next one, test for the proteins. Test for proteins. For example, if I will give you any food item, one food item. For example, I will give you one food item. What is my question? Find out whether proteins are present in this food item is not. That is my question. How can you find out? So that is the test here. So testing of proteins. So for the testing of proteins in the given food item, we required 2 chemicals. So first chemical is 2% copper sulfate solution. Second one is 10% sodium hydroxide solution. So we required these 2 chemicals. First chemical is 2% copper sulfate solution. Second chemical is 10% sodium hydroxide solution. So what is the given food item? For example, I was given to you milk. I was given to you milk. So now take one test tube. So take a small quantity of milk into the test tube. So this is the milk. What we are doing now? We are testing the milk. What we are testing? The proteins are present or not in the milk. మనం పాలల్లో ప్రోటీన్స్ ఉన్నాయా లేవా అని టెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అట్లా టెస్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఏం కావాలి? 2 కెమికల్స్ కావాలి. ఒకటేంటి 2% కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్ సొల్యూషన్, 10% sodium hydroxide solution. Then we will take one test tube and we are taking some milk, a small little bit quantity of milk into test tube. Then you have to add 2 drops of 2% copper sulfate solution and add 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్లో మిల్క్ తీసుకోండి. ఈ మిల్క్కి ఒక 2 చుక్కలు 2% కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్ సొల్యూషన్ కలపండి. అలాగే 10 చుక్కలు 10% sodium hydroxide solution కలపండి. Now stir it well. So we know what is the color of milk? White color. So after adding 2% copper sulfate solution, 10 drops of 10% sodium hydroxide solution, the white color milk changes into which color? Purple or violet. If the white color milk changes into purple color or violet color, we can say the milk contains proteins or proteins are present in the milk. మనం పాలు తీసుకొని ఈ 2 కెమికల్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే తెల్లగా ఉండే పాలు పర్పుల్ కలర్లో కానీ violet కలర్లో కానీ మారిపోతాయి. సో ఇఫ్ ద కలర్ చేంజెస్ ఇంటూ పర్పుల్ కలర్ violet color, we can easily say proteins are present in the milk. For example, I was given you what? Egg. Milk బదులు egg ఇచ్చాను మీకు. What you have to do? We have to prepare egg solution. మనం egg solution తయారు చేసుకొని same process. So prepare the egg solution, take the egg solution into the test tube and add 2 drops of copper sulfate, 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. If the egg color changes into purple or violet color, we can say eggs also contain proteins. Okay, so this is the test for proteins. And last one is fats. Testing of fats, it is very easy, very simple. For example, take a white paper. What we are doing here? So we are testing the fats are present in the given food item. So what is the given food item here? For example, groundnut. మనకు పల్లి గింజలు ఇచ్చారు. పల్లి గింజలలో ఫ్యాట్స్ ఉన్నాయా లేవా కనుక్కోవాలి. సో టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ the fats are present or not in the groundnut, first we should take one white paper. ఒక white paper తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, సో టేక్ 1 or 2 nuts into your hand. మీ చేతిలో 2 గింజలు తీసుకోండి and rub the nuts on the white paper. వైట్ పేపర్ పైన రబ్ చేయండి, ఇట్లా రాకండి. వాట్ యు అబ్జర్వ్? So if you rub the groundnuts on the white paper turns into translucent.